What? Okay, I'm getting up. Come here. I just got a free cheeseburger bite in there. I just picked it up and ate it. But I'm a
Yeah, I just see it as shooting yourself in the foot. So, and I've said this already on this broadcast. Do whatever you want with clips of this show. I don't care. I don't care. You know, just make remixes, upload whole copies. I really don't care. It doesn't bother me at all.
Same
now,
as me. I don't
did
care.
I see some people with the Monday and Matt stream clips that had 100,000 views, and I was like, wow, you know what? Maybe I should have uploaded some of those clips. Yeah, it did cross my mind, but I wasn't angry about it. I wasn't like, oh, I gotta take that down. I just looked at it as free advertising for the stream, and in fact, viewership, of the stream has been up a good, I don't know, 50-75% since that incident. So I think my theory has proven to be correct.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
He says something, a kitchen chair. I don't even know what that is.
I'll show you what's been marked as state.
A kitchen chair. Okay. I remember a classmate of mine, his dog hung himself on a kitchen chair while he was at school. The dude was a complete faggot. That's what I remember. And he used to leash his dog. I guess they used to leash the dog on the table or on the chair or some shit. And the dog got it wrapped around his neck and killed himself. But I wasn't there. It had nothing to do with that. I just remember that story from my youth. I don't know if it was his kitchen chair, though. But I don't know any other kitchen chair stories. They think I'm afraid to mention the term kitchen chair, apparently. I don't know.
In regards to item 113.
How does a dog commit suicide? Yeah, well, I may have told him that his dog killed himself because he hated him so much. That was a kind of a fucked up thing to say. But he had said some shit about me. I may have said his dog offed himself to get away from him. He used to always carry his dog around, too, and, he was one of those types.
I'm too sexy for my shirt. Too sexy for my shirt. So sexy it hurts. And I am too sexy for Milan. Too sexy for Milan, New York, and Japan.
The bad boy says, okay, Roth is definitely a Jew. Yeah, I mean, there's no way. That's really the allegation? Did I gas puppies? That's really the allegation here. Think about what you're saying. Okay. Okay. So your big takedown of me is my Jewish... Think about this, ladies and gentlemen. Noel's big takedown of me is my Jewish ex-classmate claims that I gassed the puppies of the dog that I love more than anything on this earth, and I would absolutely support a genocide of this whole audience to bring back one of those puppies. And that's a fucked up thing to say. That's how much I love that dog. And I would a million times support it as far as Kiwi Farm is concerned. If they said we could bring back those two dogs today and they would be full grown and healthy, but you got to lose everybody watching this show right now, I'd say, well, I don't know. I might have to lose them. I definitely have to think about it. Let's just put it that way. It would be a very tough decision. And so if you're okay, that's going to be the takedown. Okay, all right. Please roll with that one. I really hope you do. And I'm completely terrified of the allegation as well, as you can tell. I had a stash of Zyklon B at the house, of course. What the fuck is this? It would not be a good idea for any of those motherfuckers. I will tell you that. I'm not talking about Josh Moon. I'm talking about them in particular. So, yeah, that's my word to them personally. That I will be coming after anybody for some fake bullshit that's put out there. Yeah, for sure.
So if you think
I pissed behind a dumpster once at school and got in trouble for that. That was kind of funny. I'm trying to think what else. Because we were outside and they wouldn't let us go in to go to the bathroom, so I just pissed behind the dumpster like I did at the house. So I'm trying to think of what else. I had played with gasoline behind my house when I was a kid. Had started a little fire that the neighbor had to jump over and put out, but that wasn't at school. I'm trying to think. I don't know. I really don't know. But I will say if it's some fucker putting their name to some fake shit, that would be a bad mistake. That would be a bad mistake for them. So yeah, I'll just point that out to all the homies back home for sure. But I literally can't. I don't know. Who knows? But yes, feel free to say whatever you want, talk to whoever you want. But that's my word on it. I don't really know what else you expect me to say, really. But literally the only thing I could possibly think about that would be some crazy thing for my elementary school is I got in a fight with some dude in the 3rd grade and bit him.
It's not true.
I didn't think I would make it for today, but I forgot the sunrise is on the way.
My name is Ethan, and I want to suck Jim's cock.